Hundreds of Russian soldiers were taken POWs during the recent Ukrainian offensive in Kharkiv Oblast, Zelensky told Reuters. However, he confirmed, Russia still has more captives than Ukraine. The task is to go on and exchange back all Ukrainians. And now, before we continue, a word from the sponsor of this video, Awsun Remote.
Awsun Remote Desktop is a useful software that allows you to remotely access and control your PC, laptop, and smartphone anytime anywhere. And our smart power plug can help switch on/off your computer remotely with our software anywhere, anytime. You can easily download the software for Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android on awsun.com. With a free version you will find powerful features that are paid in other apps, like remote desktop control, with another PC, or just edit it on your mobile phone, so you can keep working continually when needed. Mobile phone projection to computer and file transfer. It's easy to connect a remote desktop. You can browse the web like this, also transfer files, remote printing or screen mirror. With the paid version, use your mobile phone remote control PC to play PC games, get exclusive VIP channel, faster internet speed and more stable connection, and up to 60 FPS when PC remote control PC, support remote control Android device and remote CMD. Exclusive game features, custom game keyboard, 3D view switching, supports up to 144 frames, higher and smoother picture quality. With this amazing offer, just click on the link in the description and you will get a paid version code for the software.
The first 200 days of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The interactive map was created by the Critical Threats Project in collaboration with the Institute for the Study of War. From April to September 12, Ukrainian troops liberated over 60,000 square kilometers of territory. Ukrainian army is returning the land of Kharkiv Oblast, exhausted by the invaders. Liberation of Balaklia through the eyes of soldiers of the National Guard of Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.